Hi, everybody. This is Brian Kaprowski, your HEA 110 LN2 instructor for the fall semester 2020. I'd like to welcome everybody to this course. This is a great time for you to be taking this course, especially with everything going on in the world, especially with what's going on in the pandemic, as everything that you're learning in this course, as you can see, can um, influence you and your family as well. There's a lot of concepts and other items that you're going to learn throughout this course that will have an impact on your life. And hopefully you'll be able to take what you learn and be able to apply that to live a healthy lifestyle. What I want to do today is I just want to take you through the course here and just let you know how to navigate around it. When you log onto Blackboard and you log onto the course here, the Health 110 course, I want you to first click on the Start Here tab. In that tab, I want you to complete everything that is listed here within the first week of the course. It's really important that you complete these steps because we have a census period, and it's required that you complete these items before the census, which is the first week, about the first week of class. First, click on the academic tutorial here. When you do that, you'll be able to go through it and complete a short video and just watch the video. And then after that, I want you to click on the Connect orientation video. What the Connect orientation video is it will show you how to access the course textbook. So there's not a course textbook that is required for this class. It's actually included within your tuition payment for the course. And we use the course textbook by McGraw-Hill. And this video, this Connect orientation video, will show you how to navigate the book and how to access the course. After you do that step, watch the online orientation tutorial quiz. That will just let you know how to take this class online. And then at the very bottom here, the Smart Book Orientation Assessment. Click on that and take that assessment. Each of these assessments are worth points for your quizzes. So it is really important that you try to do well on those quizzes in order to get the maximum amount of points for that. Once you complete the Start Here tab and all these items, again, within the first week, I want you to navigate through the course. And I want you to click on the announcement tabs. So the announcement tabs, every week, I'm going to try to send you out a new video. And with that, there should be announcements. And it will just include what items you have to accomplish for the up and coming week. So make sure you're paying close attention to your email because that's how it will be sent out. Contacts would be the next tab. This tab here contains my contact information. It gives you a background on me and my education. If you keep scrolling down, you see Dr. Carl Bryan. He's our program director here within the Health and Fitness Science program, and that's our dean, Dean Lisa Baker. Course resources, really important tab. Here, this will be the McGraw-Hill Connect Library. It has various resources to help you in the class through the course textbook. And let's click on this, very important, our syllabus for this up and coming semester. Okay. Taking a while to load here. A little longer than usual. Okay, so let's go through the syllabus here. Okay, as you can see, the course here. Sorry about that. As you can see here, the course here is HEA 110. This gives you my office location. So my office traditionally will be at the Chatham Health and Science Campus located in Pittsboro. It's a brand new facility. If you ever have an opportunity to come out and view the facility, please do so. That underneath that lists my contact information. That's my office number. But during COVID, please, if you need to call me or text me, that's my cell phone number that you can access. My office hours are Monday through Friday, 11 to 12 p.m. So if you are setting a time up to meet with me, please do so during that time. And if you prefer to set up a virtual appointment, we can work that out. Or if you want to just make a phone call, just indicate that and provide me with the best number to reach you at. Really big down here, if you can see that there, I answer emails within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. And on the weekends, I'll respond to your emails within 48 hours. This is really important because your assignments are going to be due on Sunday night at 11:59. So don't wait until the weekends if you have a question for me. Please look at the material throughout the week and start on it then. Don't wait until the weekend. Scroll down here. This gives you a course description. As I said, the course textbook, it's all online. You don't have to purchase anything. It's through McGraw-Hill, and it just tells you a brief description of that. This is just our attendance policy. So that's another big thing. So attendance, you're probably wondering, how do you take attendance for an online class? Well, your attendance is dictated by you completing the assignments. So if you don't complete the assignments on Sunday, then I'll have to assign you an absence for the class. With the assignments in the class, every week you have a writing assignment. Really important that you pay attention to the read and respond essay grading rubric here. If you're going to cite any materials, even from our course textbook or any outside sources, you're going to need to follow this, and you're going to need to cite it appropriately. This is an example of an MLA style citation here. Okay, this goes into how to format a document. You can use Word if you like. We have Microsoft Office is provided for free to our students here, and if you need some more additional information on that, contact our IT department. They'll be able to help you receive that. Real important areas of evaluation. In this class, you're going to have a writing assignment every week. There might be some worksheets and labs, but you just have one of those. You won't have both of those. And those are worth 75% of your grade. Also, every week, you're going to have a chapter quiz. Those are going to be worth 25% of your grade. And then the third item that will be due every week will be your readings within the chapters of the McGraw-Hill textbook. You're going to read various chapters and sections of that, and they're going to ask you questions, and those will be worth 10 points for you completing and providing the correct responses to those. Virtual student services. We offer a free laptop loaner program. We offer food assistance and virtual tutoring services, which I'm sure outside of this class or any of the classes you're taking, you can take advantage of that. And if you want more information on any of those topics, please click on this tab here to provide you with more information. Okay, this talks about our COVID-19 policy. This is an online class, so you won't have to really deal with this very much here. Academic integrity, obviously, the cheating policy, any plagiarism, any cheating result in an F. Okay, this is really big here. So assignments. Assignments will be due, as I said, on Sunday night at 11:59. Assignments submitted after the due date will be accepted with a 2% penalty for each day after the due date it is late. Okay. So, and once you get up to 2 weeks, so you have a whole week to complete it, but then once you hit the 2-week mark, you're no longer able to turn in that assignment. Okay. Now let's look over our course schedule here. So the first week of the course, all you have to do is you have to click on the Start Here tab, complete all of those assignments. Okay, and those are all due within the Start Here tab. All those areas that are in there, it's due on August the 23rd at 11:59. Okay, pretty easy week. You know, trying to ease into the class and the swing of things. So nothing too big for you. And then the following week, okay, you're gonna do chapter 1, where you're going to get into the course textbook. You're going to read it, answer the questions within the chapter. Then you're going to complete the quiz, and then you're going to complete the written assignments. Okay, that's about all I have in there. Course content. Okay, so course content is where you're going to take every module, every chapter that we're going to be performing each week, where you're going to complete it, except for the first week. The first week, everything that's due would be in the Start Here tab. After that, this is where you will click to complete the assignments every week. As you can see, when you click on here, chapter 1, okay, this will be for the week of August the 23rd. Okay, let's click on. This will give you PowerPoints here. This will give you chapter 1 lecture notes, and this will be your assignments. So this is what I'm talking about with the chapters in the book. You're going to click on here. You're going to read the various sections of this chapter. You're going to answer a series of questions, 10 points. Then you're going to click on here. That's our written assignment. Could complete the various short answers that you'll be asked here. If you have to cite anything, please remember to cite it using the MLA style. And then you're going to complete the chapter 1 quiz, and you're going to follow that same pattern throughout the 16 weeks. If you have any questions about what is due, refer to the syllabus on the course outline. I'm really, really excited to have you in my class. I hope this is a great learning opportunity for you, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concern. Thank you.